Hi, this is Antonio with IDX Broker, and today we're going to be looking at migration from IDX Broker Original to IDX Broker Platinum. So here we have my IDX Broker Original account. Pretty normal, it's just my demo account. I'm going to be wanting to migrate this to Platinum. So the first step is going to be going to the knowledge base and finding this article, Steps for Migration to Platinum. There's quite a few things to consider when migrating a client to Platinum. We have a lot of it covered here in our migration frequently asked questions. A lot of those details are there. You're going to want to be sure to specify a new custom subdomain if you already have a custom subdomain. If you do not really something you need to worry about. Keep in mind that your custom subdomains will need to be unique from one platform to the next. So if you have a custom subdomain you really like in IDX Broker Original, unfortunately you will not be able to use it in IDX Broker Platinum because we set up 301 redirects once the original account is shut down, and if you use the same CNAME record, those redirects will not work. So that's the first thing to consider. The next thing would be actually submitting the request form. This form can be found in the body of this article, right here in step 2. To get to this form, you have to click on that link and be signed in to your IDX Broker Original account. This is how the form will pick up which account to migrate. The form isn't really much of a form. There's really only 2 questions. Do you agree to the new terms of service? This is something you or your client will have to agree to, as since we're providing the service, we can't agree for you. And do you want to use a new custom subdomain? Again, this will have to be unique, or at least different from the IDX Broker Original subdomain. Once that's been submitted, let's go ahead and submit it. I'll agree. Hit submit, and you'll see it says success. You will receive an email shortly, in which case it will let me know that I'm in the migration queue. What the migration queue is the queue of accounts. After our migration script has run, we always have a human double check the work. So that's the queue. Your account will then be created in Platinum and set up and waiting in for one of our support staff to check. When they are done with their check, making sure everything's working, you'll get this email. This will be the welcome email from Platinum saying, welcome to Platinum, your account has been approved and ready to use, all that kind of stuff. You'll then get access to the IDX Broker dashboard for Platinum. Your 2 accounts, Platinum and Original, will run in tandem for 30 days. This will allow you time to change any links in IDX Broker Original that you have on your website to their Platinum equivalent. So any search links on your navigation, anything like that, save links, these need to be changed to the Platinum equivalent, as Platinum is a completely different system and has a different URL structure. So 301 redirects will be in place, but for best SEO, you'll want to update your links to the Platinum equivalent. Some of the things that will need to be recreated will be like widgets and possibly some saved links if there's a difference in the fields from the data we get from the MLS. Now, if you've already submitted migration and you're curious to whether or not the form has gone through, or if your client has initiated and you just want to check on it, you can always go back here to step 2, click on the form again, agree, hit no, submit. Your account has already been added to the queue or has been migrated. This will let you know if you're already in the queue, if the migration has already taken place, and then you should follow up with a email to support to get the credentials for your Platinum account. Keep in mind that migration from IDX Broker Original to Platinum is kind of a one-way street. We don't have reverse migrations, so that's something to consider before you make the commitment for you or your client. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.